Hey guys, Hicktown here. I just finished building this hog trap for the third time. I don't want to talk about it. Let's just say mistakes were made. I did have about 7 pigs in this trap 2 nights ago. They were trapped at 2 a.m. according to my trail cam pictures. And when I drove down here at 7:30 and they were still in the pen and they went absolutely bananas, they hit the door entry and was able to bend that back and escape. So I've figured out how to fix that issue, and what I'm going to do today is actually show you how to do this right the first time so that you don't have the mistakes that I made. This trap is called a Figure C, a Figure 6, a Corral Trap. They name it many different things. What I've used is 4 cow panels. They do have some lower smaller squares at the bottom than they do at the top, and I used about 15 T-posts. What I used to wire the cow panels to the post was I did 2 overlapped pieces of tie wire. Everybody I see online says to use baling wire. The only baling wire I could find in my county was in some humongous roll that I had no need for, so I was able to buy 300 feet of tie wire for about $7. So hopefully that's going to work. What I did was in that roll, I just cut those pieces into roughly 8 inches, 9 inches long, doubled those up, and I'll show you that in a second, and then tied the T-post to the actual cow panel. So let's take a look at what I've got done here and how this trap actually works, and hopefully we'll have some pigs in here to show you in just a few days. Okay guys, the whole premise behind a Figure C or a Figure 6 trap is that it makes this circle, and when the pigs circle this trap, they will run into this one finger sticking out, and when they hit that, that will guide them into the opening. Now, a lot of people don't open this gate door right here. A lot of people just leave this closed, and I'll show you how that works in a second. So the pigs will follow this trap inside, leaving the door open, and once they get in here to feeding, all the other pigs will follow in behind. Now what I've done on this side, as you can see, I've just got a stick with a string, and that is holding the door open. Once those pigs come and they hit that wire, I don't want to do it because I don't want to reset it, that stick will fly out of there, the door closes behind them, and whatever pigs is stuck in here are literally stuck in here. Now the nice thing about this, when this door closes, it will close all the way up against that side. But pigs will still be able to come in because all they do is use their body weight and come through. I was very skeptical watching other videos online that a pig would actually do that, but from monitoring my trail cameras and after catching those pigs, I had pigs continuously coming into this trap even though pigs were already in here trapped. It was really surprising, to be honest with you, but this actually works. I will promise you that this trap will work. It will catch pigs, but the main key is this door. As you can see the angle that I've got. What happened before, now see I've got 2 posts right here. What happened before is I did not have this second post, and a pig came and hit as hard as, well, I just closed my door as you can see, so that actually works. A pig came and hit this as hard as they could, and it bent this back to where the door actually opened up. So I've made this tension a lot more so that even if that happens, and I've got this post, they can't do that anymore. So as you can see, I accidentally tripped my wire, and that closes, and the pigs can't get out. But as I said, they can come in with their body weight, just push that open, and they walk right in. And they will do it. I was amazed. I've seen the pictures of them doing it. I'll now show you the pictures of how I actually tied these panels to the T-posts. So as you can see right here, I've got those doubled up. I just used my pliers, and I just twisted those and twisted those and twisted those as tight as humanly possible. A lot of the other videos I've seen online were saying to put 3 of those on one post. Because of my failures now over the past week, I chose to do 4. And on a post like this where the panels didn't line up exactly, I ended up just putting one on each one of the posts. So you can see on this one I have actually 6 ties on that one. And I'll say this too, just for iteration. This post where the 2 panels overlap, is probably the most important post in the whole system that you do not want to fail, because if this post fails, these pins or these panels will bust right through and open up. If they fail on this post that's in the middle, it doesn't really matter. They can't do anything. But if they fail where these two overlap, the pigs are going to escape. So I would double time these posts personally, which is what I'm going to do. Put at least 5 or 6 ties on that post by itself. So guys, that's pretty much it. I've got about 2 hours. Well, actually, if I built this for the first time, I had about 2 hours in putting it together. I've put many hours into it after fixing the things that went wrong. But hopefully, I've got all those things figured out. I'm going to go reset my trap door, and hopefully in a day or two, we're going to have some pigs in here. Hey guys, as you can see, we've got a fairly big pig back here behind us. Only caught one this time. Like I said, we had 7 before I'd reinforced this pen, so now they're not going to get out. So just wanted you to know this thing does work. One down. I've got a lot more to go, so I'm going to take care of this one, and hopefully we'll have more later.